everybody, my name is Kubani, and today I'm going to show you how to design this. Let's go to Photoshop, Control N. Let's do 1,000 here as well. Now this is just me. Anyhow you want to create your logo, any size of the canvas you want to use, just feel free to use it. Okay, feel free to use it. So I'm going to use this. Yeah, this. Put it here. Make sure you select all the white background and then you take it off. Okay, so you only have the image there. So you only have the image there. Okay, and this is very important because your design is going to be distorted if you do not do this. Make sure the background and everything goes away. Delete the background, just leave the image. And I'll type. Okay. Then I'll leave a link to the description below for you to download. Okay. I'll leave a link in the description for you to download. It's just simple. You click here, click to where they've written insert design. Alright, come there. You can delete everything. Move your logo there. Then write anything you want to write. Kingdom Solution. Whatever you want to write, whatever font you want to write, just feel free, create it. Okay, I think I'll use a little bit of dark, like this, bolding it. Size, push it a little bit. Perhaps I'll put 020000000. It's very important. Of them. Let's use Arial for it. Yeah, I'm building it. Everything is distorted. It's all part of the process anyway. All part of the process. All part of the process. Okay. And this looks good to me. Okay. Now I think I would like the logo to go that side. I like the Kingdom Solution. I want that to become big here. Actually, I'll delete this one. Kingdom. Duplicate it. Bring it down. Create solution. And bring this one here. Kingdom solution. Then add this this is the logo. This is the logo. What do? Just click here, click yes. Ladies and gentlemen, and then this is how you create your 3D logo. Okay, so I'm going to leave it in the description for you to download. Please subscribe to this channel so that anytime I upload new videos, you will be notified, and then you can follow along as well. Thank you very much. God bless you. Peace out.